What's up, guys? What's up? What's up? Alright, let's see if I can get the stream working. Alright, looks like it's working on this end here. Fantastic. Alright, we got market about to open here in 30 seconds. Swung these Roku puts, was up about 30% yesterday on these. So I'm about to trim some out here at the open. About 15 seconds. Let me get this pulled up. See how much hitting right at $75 target on these. All right, up 56% on the Roku 70 puts. I'm trimming out here. And I'm filled. 228 on the contracts. 60%. Let's go. Let's go, Roku. I'm only going to be on the live stream for a little bit today. We are at the lake house right now. About to go out and hang out with the kids here in just a few. Just managing some trades, seeing how the market's looking. Setting the Roku trim right now. Hitting that next target. Let's go. All right. Beautiful. Big ripping opening candle here on Qs. Look, I had a level of 526.41. Absolutely ripping off of that. Absolutely ripping off that. SPY opened up above 597.14 and already back testing 600 area right now. Near previous day low, 200 EMA right here. This could be a decent short spot, honestly. But it's early. Look at the internals. So Vol D and Vol DQ are actually both negative. VIX, oh my goodness, with the freaking gap. So VIX has a gap to fill to the downside. So obviously SPY and Qs have a gap to fill. The opening tick is 859. Notch just trim some Roku. Let's go. So watch this backtest area right here for a potential short on SPY and QQQ. Just 200 EMA right there, and then just backtesting 600 cycle level right here on SPY. See a little short up here. Let's go. Pepsi candle. Woo! Pepsi up 62%. Let's go. We're in the Pepsi 132s. Let's go, Pepsi. Go fill that gap, baby. Two plus 60% right at the open this morning. Roku puts and Pepsi call swings still working. Trying to send that out right now. Go, 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 go. All right. Go. Come on. There we go. All right. Sweet. So we get a decent rejection right up here on SPY at the 600. Let's go, Taro. Boom. Pepsi. Alright, sent those alerts in Discord for those trims. Let's go. Let's see if we can get that push up here. If it can break above this previous week high. What a great trend day yesterday to the upside on Pepsi for the calls, and then downside for Roku. It was like a minus 4% day. Come on. Got a little bit more of a rejection here on SPY. Q's holding up a little bit better. Internals are still negative and going lower. Come on. Come on. There we go. There we go. Come on, ES. There we go. There we go. There we go. All right, I'm going to trim out here. It's 5 points on ES. Going to move a stop to entry on the other. Only had 2. Let's go. Let's go. Yeah, Pepsi was a good one. Pepsi was nice. Nice rejection on Q's right at the 200. There we go. Here we go. Come on. Don't buy it up, SPY. SPY holding up a little better than Q's. Still lower wicks right here, but nice little short. Risk to reward was really tight on that one, so Vol DQ still going lower. You had an extension on the tick right here as well. VIX has a gap to fill down to like $18, which is insane. My stop was 60.10 on ES. Let's go. Nice way to end the week. All right, stop hit on the other. Nice way to end the week with the swings. Let's go, Pepsi! Let's go. It's above the level. I just saw someone in the Discord say Pepsi with a rocket. Let's go. Let's go. Oh my god, we're up 95%. Look. Look. Will it show it? Oh, will the brightness show it? I think it's too close. There it is. Look at that. We're up 95%. Give me a bag. Let's go. Almost 100%, JT. About to fill that gap. It's about to be 100%. Oh, what a great Friday morning. Give it to me, baby, like boom, boom, boom. There it is. Go, 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 go. All right. Sent. Just put in the group chat. Let Jordan know. Jordan's probably on Spaces. I jumped in Spaces the other day right before market closed when I took these Pepsi calls live on the Spaces. And I just told him that I'm only in these runners. Still rejecting, same spot here. I'm spying Qs. Let's go. If we can get that pop up here to over 133, up near like 133.35. Sitting about 92%, so if it fills this gap right here, should pop them up to probably about 115%. runnersonly.com. Roku puts are still up about 46%, so they're holding up decent here. Let me actually, I want to be able to look at both real quick. Oh, I got Pepsi over here too. Roku. Back testing 76. Look at this downtrend day Roku right here. This is beautiful. Took the puts on Roku there, caught this move here, and then swing overnight, and then more right here. Fantastic. I hate buying LMT. Dude, LMT is always, it's a weird one to trade. It's always a weird one to trade. Oh, is the chat working? Oh, let's go. Good morning, chat. What's up? Look, we got the X chat working and the YouTube chat working. What's up? What's up? Voldy Q is dumping, and Q's is holding up. Look at Voldy Q, bottom left corner right here. Look at that. Just absolutely dumping. So Voldy Q is dumping, but Q's is holding up. Almost don't trust it. I'm gonna do another short. Nice trim there on Pepsi. Almost got 100%, 95. I'm only in runners. I'm just scaling out up to 133.35 and then 135. And I'm actually going to be looking to roll some of these profits in Pepsi if it continues to hold above the 132, 133 area, either today or if it happens Monday or Tuesday. I'm actually going to look to roll these profits into 140 calls for July 18. So that'll be the next trade that I take on Pepsi using these profits from this trade. So would like for it to hold essentially by end of day. Whoopsies, wrong line. Where is it at? Where is my line? Here. So if they're going to hold above 132, and then I want it to get that move up here today, get over 100%, then I'll look to swing those calls. So go to the daily. Beautiful. Just basing down here. But look at this daily squeeze. So first of all, bullish divergence on the MACD down, or sorry, on the RSI and MACD as well, both positive. And then look at the TTM squeeze indicator here. Look at this massive squeeze that it's in, right? So consolidation leads to expansion. So it's been basing down here, holding this area, which is a big level. Just zoom out, look left, right down here. This is a big level from 2021. Look at all of these buyers and look at the reaction that it gets, pushing back up here to the high 130s, going up to 140, 145. Essentially, that's what I'm looking for it to do again. So this is like my third attempt on calls. I've been green every single time. The issue is every time I get the calls down here, pops back up here to the 132, 133 area. It rejects, pulls back down, I get stopped, and then I end up doing the exact same trade over and over again, just buying the dip on it. So, oh, there's the freaking, they wicked me out. Look, the internals were dumping. They wicked me out of my other ES contract for the short. Piece of shit. You done stopped me. Can't believe you've done this. But looking for that this move finally on Pepsi to get the break out of here and get the big move up for this daily squeeze. So again, consolidation leads to expansion. It is consolidating and basing down here, bullish divergence. Squeeze is moving to the upside, so risk reward. Obviously, I like the idea for swing calls. So I've taken those Junes 3 times, finally getting about 100% trade here. Got profits 3 times, but this is the biggest one, the biggest trade out of the 3 that I've taken on Pepsi. So if it pulls back down again and rejects, then I'll do it a 4th time and then go again for 100%. But if it can finally close up here, then I'm going to roll those profits again to those 140s for July 18 on Pepsi. SPY hit the 9 EMA there on the 5-minute. Vol DQ is still going lower. Someone said a fat fucking rejection on Apple. Here, let me pull Apple up. Dude, I don't trust this hold and move up right here on Qs. Bounce at Pepsi. Go hit that upside target. Yeah. Oh, it hit 200. Apple just back tested 200 and dumped. Look at that. I already got the level right there. You got an order block right there. That was a great freaking area to go short on Apple. I bet those puts probably intraday just went like 200%. I don't trust this move up right here on SPY and Qs, especially Qs. I mean, it looks like the gaps were filled. Internals are under the 0 line and moving down. I don't see how it's actually holding up the way that it is, to be honest with you. Pepsi, what are you doing? Get back up there. NVIDIA still has a gap to fill up to about 144.4. There you go. There you go. Nice. Nice. Can't believe they've wicked my stop. Sorry, we still made $200 real quick. Beautiful rejection. What a great short. Nice short. There we go, baby. Nice, nice, nice. Beautiful short. Right there at the 200. Right there at 600 cycle level. Told you I wasn't trusting that hold right there. ES. I shorted ES, not SPY. Look, internals are still moving down. Internals are still weak. Back testing VWAP right here. I mean, this is an area that you would look to see. Qs is not really pulling back as much as SPY is. Qs is actually holding up a lot better than SPY is, but the internals are still selling. I might freaking drop it short again right here. Catch this flush because it's not looking good. I think we have data coming though at 10 a.m. So you gotta be careful of that. There you go. There's a nice little pop on Vol DQ and Vol D. That's decent. So that's what you want to see. There you go. At the back test of VWAP right there. That's what you want to see. So you get the red candles on Vol D and Vol DQ hitting the area of resistance. You go short. When it's back testing areas of support, you want to see candles like this come in on Vol D and Vol DQ, popping it back up. That kind of just gives you an extra little confluence. Like, yeah, if you're looking for a little long scalp right here, back testing that just to catch that, you know, quick pop right there, that's what you want to see. If you don't see that and you're continuing to see the red candles just keep coming in on those, and it's still sitting right here, it's almost like a freaking fake move. Tesla ripping. Ooh, what is that? Ending my week with plus 100% on the account. Almost a full green week. Let's go, Sebastian. Let's freaking go. 100% on the account this week. Dude. Let's go. Great work. We had a nice week in the Discord. Nice job, man. That's freaking awesome. Hopefully that'll be my small account challenge next week. Get that up to 100%. Get that account from 1,000 to 2,000. Started off rocky this week, and now we're back to break even on it. So, let's go. What's Tassie doing? Nice. Nice move on Tesla. Just back tested 320. It's a little short spot. Look at that candle on Vol DQ. The pop went straight back down. I'm tempted to freaking try a short again. I mean, it's consolidating up here. That almost looks like a flag on Qs. Definitely not on SPY. You're welcome, brother. Appreciate it. Have a great weekend, man. That's freaking awesome. That's amazing. That's amazing. Look at these upper wicks just getting slapped. Vol DQ and going, I'm about to freaking short this thing. I don't trust it. Don't trust it. Don't trust it whatsoever. Come on. I don't trust it. There goes SPY. There goes ES. Ba-boom! Drop it low, girl. Drop it low, girl. Yeah, I don't trust it. There we go. Let's go! Drop it low, girl. Drop it low, girl. Come on. All right, 20 points. Let's go. There we go. There it is. Thank you. Come on, hit those emails. Hit those emails. Come on. There it is. All right, gonna move a stop up. Gonna put a stop in at 48. Here we go. There it is. I'm gonna close, actually. I'm done. All right, I'm gonna lock that account up. I'm out. Woo! There's the 9 EMA. Beautiful short. I didn't trust it. Beautiful. ES short was so much better. I wish I would have got to stay in the original one. It was almost 17 points on the ES short from the original one. They wicked my stop by 3.5 points on the other contract. So it's all right. Got back in on this, on the NQ short. Look at the internals. Look at Vol DQ. Don't trust it. Don't trust it. Didn't trust it. It was a fake pump at the open. Fake pump. Fake pump. What's the account up right now? 2,400 bucks. Let's go. Let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go. Hey. All right, let's start moving some stops in on some of the options. That way I don't have to manage this later on. I'm going to put in an order for those Pepsis at 220. With a stop in profit. Roku's still up 50% here. Oh! Told you to fucking trust it. Let's go. I think you're a little too late. I think you're late now. I don't think this is a new entry short. There you go. There you go, baby. Nice shorts. All right. Roku's still looking good. Oh, man, I guess I could have held that NQ a little bit longer, huh? Holy shit. It's fucking 20 points on ES. Oh, there you go. All right, sorry, GTG got SPY puts there up 80%. Let's go. Nice job. Nice work. Nice freaking work. Internal still selling. That's all that that's all that I needed to see. Fucking drop it. Rejections. Yes. Ah! Let's go. Who caught that freaking short? There's VWAP on Qs. You got data coming out right now. For those ones that don't know, you got data. Initial reaction, green candle upside. Little green candle coming in on Vol DQ. VIX just gapped, like on this 5-minute candle. Tick pushing higher. It's like, dang, I just kind of want to short the pop on NQ real quick. Far away from home. Vol DQ still going lower. It's fake. It's fake AF. It's fake AF. Fake. Fake news. Fake news. It's fake. I don't trust this pop. I don't trust it one bit. Not one bit. Nope. Not one fucking bit. Not one bit. Slam it. Slam it. Slam it. Put it in the slammer. I don't trust this shit. There we go. Slam it. Fucking slam it. Back down you go, Qs. Come on. Come on. Slam it. There you go, baby. Make that candle red. Make that candle red. There you go. Boom! Make that candle red. Make it red. Make it red. Break that VWAP. Someone was like, Jesus, what a pop. I was like, fake. Fake news. Alright. Fake news. Well. Let me post in the Discord. Hey, if you're in the Discord premium chat, look, hold on. Look. $2,600. Nice rejections. Tesla reject 320. Yup. Let's go, Roku. Sell it. Sell it, Roku. You have no life left in you. You're fake. Alright, Roku's up 58% again. Still looking good. It's been a fun morning already. Someone said, how do you move your stop so quick, like on your trades? I trade on my phone. I'm on my phone. This is where I trade. I'm a lot faster on my phone than I am on a computer. So I watch the charts here on my laptop, and then I trade and do everything else with my options. So this is obviously TradingView, and then I'll go over here, and then this is my Webull account. There's a few open positions that are still green. So I manage my broker from here. So just click open the trade, and I just do everything on the mobile app. I trade off of my phone. Apple dumping. I don't doubt it. I think Apple's going back to the 180s. What a beautiful freaking short. A lot of great freaking spots this morning for these shorts. SPY and Qs set up a beautiful spot to try the short. Apple popped up and opened up right at 200 for the short. Tesla popped up, hit the 320 area right there, shooting star for a short. Just want Pepsi to go higher. Can you? I literally just want Pepsi to go from here to here. That's all I want you to do next, Pepsi. Literally nothing else. I just need you to go to here and break that, and I will be perfectly fine. All right, Vol D getting a nice little green candle and move up right here. Vol DQ, but VIX is pulling back. You had first time the tick has been above the 0 line, been positive here, which means that SPY is should be getting a decent bounce, which is getting some green candles here for a bounce. But beautiful. Fake AF. It was fake. I'm gonna screenshot that. It was freaking fake. That opening pop straight to resistance was just all fake news. And it's still weak. I mean, the internals are still weak. Vol DQ, I think, I don't think it's weaker. It is weaker, which means Q's internally right now looks weaker than SPY. But if you look at the chart, SPY actually looks weaker on the 5-minute than Q's does. Go, Pepsi, go. Come on, hurry up. Everybody's outside in the lake. They're all outside right now. I am going to be jumping off here soon. I'm going to go join them I still think it's still looking weak. I think we see lower. Look at the 5-minute on Qs and NQ. Ever since that pop this morning up to that resistance and SPY and ES. Drop it low, girl. Drop it low, girl. Drop it low, girl. Drop it low, girl. The water should be pretty warm actually, so I'm gonna do some fishing today too. See if Everly can catch some. I think we go. I mean, we got some support just right down here again, but I think we're gonna go a little bit lower here. It's looking like we want to go lower. Internal still heavy. Drop it low, girl. Drop it low, girl. There you go. Drop it low, girl. Drop it low, girl. Drop it. If it can break that 21, you got a little bit of support right here, but if it can break that, bye-bye. 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 Boom! Shakalaka. Let's go. Dump it. Dump it. Dump it, dump it, dump it, dump it. Fake AF. It was always fake. We're underneath the EMAs and VWAP now. And we got some support right here. You got some support right here. Great shorts. Great job. Nice. JT say woohoo. Let's go, JT. Right in the MMK zone, baby. Look, I'll hide my levels real quick. Right in the MMK zone. It was beautiful. She want lower? She want lower? Drop it low, girl. Drop it low, girl. Drop it low, girl. Look at Vol DQ dumping. Told you it's fake. Drop it low, girl. Drop it low, girl. Drop it low, girl. Drop it low, girl. What is the MMK zone? So MMK zones are an indicator that we have, that we use. Get rid of all this stuff right here. And I'll hide my drawings. So these are the MMK zones. It is levels of resistance above and support below, right? So you'll see how previous price, and they move with the price action every single day. So they adjust and update every single morning about 10 minutes before market open at 9:20 a.m. Eastern. These auto-populate every single day, and it does it on SPY as well. It also has levels, so it'll track the price action and have levels on the chart as well. So here's SPY, and look, boom, MMK zone. See the red zone right here that it had? It drew the red zone up this morning. This is where I said for the short, right? So you got some other areas of resistance above, and you got some support below. It's just based off higher time frame areas and daily areas of resistance and support. So, and can act as, you know, like supply and demand zones as well. So then I can go over here, and they have a trend line indicator as well. So SPY actually just hit a little bit of a trend line here, the pre-market lows area of a trend line. And right here, levels. So you'll see the levels follow the price action and update every day. See how the lines kind of get squiggly, whatever. So as price action moves, the levels will adjust. So that's what these new little red lines right here are. So these are levels along with the zones. So it's a little helpful tool, but the MMK zones just kind of act to support resistance, supply, demand zones. It is probably my favorite indicator of all time. Absolutely love it. Absolutely love it. It is not. It's not a public and free indicator on TradingView. It is something that we sell in the WAP store. See if we can break this low. So it is a private script. You have to purchase access to all of the MMK algos and the MMK indicators. Vol D holding up, getting a little bit of a pop. Vol DQ not. So I think it's fake. Fake hold. Drop it lower, Qs. Drop it low, Qs. Drop it low, Qs. Drop it low, Qs. You know you want to drop it low. Drop it low, drop it low, drop it low. Come right down here. Just go from here. Just come straight down here. Come on. You know you want to. You know you want to drop it low. You know this is all fake. And you want a new low of day. They're holding. I mean, this is a big area support on SPY. That does give out today. I mean, the opening tick was what again? 859. I'm not sure if that is high enough for trend or if it's still leading to, you know, chop. Look at Vol DQ. Freaking dumping. Dumping. Fake. Give a new low of day. Come on. Where's that opening candle low? It's right there. Break that and just come down here to these pre-market areas. Right here, that little order block. You don't want to hold. You don't want to hold. You want to flush. You want to flush. Thanks a lot, bro. Appreciate you. Appreciate you. Hope people made some money this week or this morning. Let's go, Pepsi. Come on. You can do it. Put your back into it. Let's go. You can do it. Put your back into it. Oh. Go, Pepsi. Go, Pepsi. Go, Pepsi. Go, 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 Pepsi. Man, it got cloudy outside. Bet the water's warm, though. I'm going to jump off here in about 5 to 10 minutes. I got stomps in profit on Roku and Pepsi. Roku is up 63% still. Pepsi is up 82% after those trims this morning. Roku, Roku, Roku. Come on. New lows. New lows. New lows. Go. New lows. Go. Drop it low, girl. Drop it low, girl. Drop it low, girl. Drop it low, girl. Come on. You know you want to do it. Roku new low of day? Question mark? Yep. Nice. Spy new low of day. Ba-boom. Q's, come on. You can do it. You can do it. Put your back into it. Drop it low, girl. Oh, ba-boom, baby. There you go. This is how we do it. This is how we do it. Flush is coming, question mark? Yep, there it is, baby. Casey quoting Ice Cube. Yup. There it is. Ask and you shall receive. Ask and you shall receive. Just gotta be nice. If you draw the arrows on your chart, it'll just do it. It'll do it. Just gotta be nice. Sweet talk it a little bit. Just sweet talk it a little bit. That's all you gotta do. Alright. That's all you need. That's all you need. There's the trend line on Qs. Let's go. Just gotta ask nicely for a new low of day, and it'll do it for you. That's all you need. Just draw it on your chart, ask the market nicely, and it'll work. It's a solid strategy. Oh, let's go. Look at Valdi Q. Fake. Fake. Told you it was all fucking fake. The hold, the bounce, the little green candles, none of that mattered. It was all fake. It's still selling. Valdi, different story though. Getting a nice green candle and pop right here. M said he hammered ES. I wonder if he just took that long right there. It's a great spot to do it. 597.14 is a big level. I closed my puts here that he bought yesterday. I'm not greedy. Great work. Nice job. Oh, I think it's starting to rain. About to jump off. Great. Great work. Pepsi almost there. Roku new lows. Up 75% here on Roku. Let's go. Look at these beautiful MMK zones. If it can go down here, that would be beautiful. Look, if you draw the arrow, tell it where you want it to go, it'll happen. It's a solid trading strategy. I'm about to short the shit out of this again. It's getting windy and rainy outside. Dude, this vol DQ is disgusting. But SPY and ES are basing and holding right here. And Q's got this little trend line right here. It's holding in the order block. I mean, this was target. But if it gives this area right here, it can get another nice little flush. Could be another short to pop. Nice job of 25% on Q puts. Good work. Great work. Vol DQ is still going lower. So I'm being short the pop mode here. All right, let me send some stuff out real quick. Dude, it's getting windy outside. I hear those trees. Come on. Dump it. Dump it. Break it. Break it. You know you want to drop it low. You know you want to break it down. Vol DQ is selling. It is short the pops. QQQ's gonna break a new low of day. Drop it low, girl. 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 Boom! There we go. Drop it low, girl. Drop it. Boom! There you go. There it is. Alright, now the flush can really fucking start. Oh, there you go. There you go. Nice job. There it is. Casey didn't lie. Order got filled. Let's go. Money, 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 money. Do we fucking crush this? Told you, just draw the arrows on the chart. Look at Roku. Look at Roku right now. %. I'm sending out the alert right now. Roku puts. I am going to be in runners. Fake. Fake AF. We crushed the freaking shorts. We crushed it. Great job. Oh, dude, from start to finish on that freaking ES. Oh my goodness, I'm so mad. But I mean, I just kept scaling back in and getting back short. But got short at freaking 6,000, like 950, I think. Oh my goodness, and it just hit 80. Disgusting. Disgusting. Absolutely disgusting. Absolutely disgusting shorts. Think we'll hit pre-market low? I don't see why we don't. I just accidentally clicked on that. I didn't mean to. Dude, internals are weak, man. Internals are weak. Come on. Close underneath here is going to go down and hit these freaking levels at 596 and 595. I mean, this is an area where I would expect buyers to be stepping in on SPY and Q, especially after that drop, but the internals are still weak, so it's still short the pot mode. Look, told you, just draw the arrow. Just draw the arrow. Just draw the arrow. That's all you need. Don't need to do anything else. Beautiful. All right, I sent the Roku. And runners. For the ones here on the X live stream, if you go to my profile, you will see those trades right there. So you'll see the Pepsi trade this morning. Trimming out up here on the pop. And then those runners for 95%. And then you'll see the Roku. Roku just hit 80%. I sent the tweet before I decided to take a trim and get on those runners. I just sent in the Discord. Screenshot is up 74% when I sent it. Those two positions. Beautiful, beautiful shorts this morning. Again, this is in bounce area right here on Qs and SPY. Internals still weak, especially on vol DQ. So again, I think it's short the pop. So back testing this area right here in these EMAs. I'm actually going to look to go short again. It is raining. I hear Everly outside. She's like, it's raining. Alright, see if we can back test. Spot right up here on SPY back at these EMAs. Try another short real quick. And close this account down. Nasty 30-minute candles. Those were disgusting. Look, you'll see this zone right here with support last Friday. Just opened up below it pre-market, just retested it right now. It's a big spot. Let me get these charts out too. Nice rejection so far. How many people are on the live stream? There's freaking 2,200 people. I appreciate you guys. Let's go. So instead of trying calls here, I mean, it's a great spot. Look, it's a great spot for the bounce. Internals are still weak. So I think it's a great, we're back testing the EMAs right here. So now this is where I'm looking to go short again. Q's is just above it right here, but I mean, the internals, especially on Vol DQ, are still very freaking weak. Now, Vol D just got a nice little bottom wick right there, but I still think it's short the pop mode. So I'm about to go short ES here. Or actually, I'll probably do MNQ, to be honest with you. I'll go a little bit lighter size on this next one. I'm gonna send these charts out real quick. Draw the candles down. We gotta see. You gotta see. You're back testing the EMAs right here. Vol DQ is still selling. Looks good. Tick is bouncing. I'm trying to push back above the zero line. Vol D is stronger than Vol DQ. But I do like this area right here, so I want to see the rejection up here, and then if I see the seller step in the rejection, gonna take another short. You caught the long. Nice. It was a great. I drew the arrow straight down here for Q's, and it was target. And then look, it was huge freaking bounce right at that same spot. And there's VWAP right here. I'm kind of tempted now, instead of waiting for a red candle rejection, but. I might just lock it up for the day. I'm about to send. I just sent this out. Ah. All right. All right. If you're over here on the X live stream, if you go to my profile, the most recent one right there, all right, you're going to see the SPY chart back testing 600, the MMK zone, the 200 EMAs, the purple little squiggly moving average that's up there, right? And then next chart, you'll see the QQQ chart, drew the arrow down for the target, and then you'll see the internals right there on VOL-D and VOL-DQ. Underneath the white line, which is the zero line, they were selling off all morning. So on that opening move, that opening pop, internals were weak, and then when it started to stall out here near the top and kind of hold, still saw VOL-D and VOL-DQ moving lower. So decided to short that pop. And as of right now, this is the spot. VOL-D and VOL-DQ are actually still moving lower. Q's just got a really nice candle right here. I'd be looking to short this pop right here. But it shows those charts. I'm going to get these sent out over here in the Discord as well. All right, just sent that out. Tweezer bottom, yeah. I see it right here. Nice tweezer bottoms off support. This is a big bounce on SPY and Qs. Look, VOL-D is actually getting a red candle right here going lower. All right, watch this spot right here on SPY. Q's just back tested equilibrium. This is the 50% retracement of the range. Actually not a bad spot to go short. It's a perfect spot to go short. $6,000 back test right there on ES. There you go. Slam it down a little bit more. Come on. Go back down. VWAP's a lot lower. EMAs are about 2 or 3 points lower. Nice. Nice job. Beautiful. Here we go. Still selling. Still selling. Short the pop, baby. Shorten the pops. Here we go. All right, gonna trim one off here. I was up like 2,900 bucks, like 2,913 or 2,916. That just put me over 3,000 to 3,035. If I could stopped out the other one, it's fine. But that just locked that in. Beautiful. Beautiful. Right at equilibrium, lower high. Vol D new low of day, Vol DQ new low of day. Come on. Come on. Don't want this spot to hold right here. I want this spot to flush. Come on. Come on. M said he's got 2 payouts getting requested today. Let's go. Come on. Oh, I got so close. I want 88. There it is. Oh! Get it. Q's holding up a little bit better. It was a good ES short. Look at Vol D dumping. It's only 10:45. It's only 10:45 and I'm done. We're done for that. I mean, the fucking swings are almost 100%. Doing this futures is just for extra fun. Hey, Liv. Look, if you made money today, please like and subscribe. Casey made me money this week. Let's go, Liv. Liv is my YouTube manager. Let's go. All right, they're holding it right here, but nice little shooting star. And internals are still selling. Overextended tick right there. It makes sense for a little bit of a pop, but the internals are still weak. So let's see if we can get a little bit more continuation. It might just stall out for a second before it cracks that next low. Come on. I'm 15 minutes past. I'm supposed to be out. Come on. Here we go. Come on. Come on. Come on. Fill this next one. I'm about to jump off here. Go, 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 go. Freaking break it. Come on, let's go. Break it. Break it. Dude, it is freaking huge selling pressure. Internals are dying. Look at that beautiful shooting star right there at the equilibrium for that lower high. Come on, SPY. Come on, ES. Drop it low, girl. Drop it. There we go. Come on. There we go. Beautiful. Let's go. There we go. Boom, baby. All right. And I'm out. All out. Lock that account up, and I'm done. Faulty putting some fat candle. That's why I shorted the pop. That's why I shorted that pop again. Same thing, dude. Same thing. Just give me the same setups again. Go back up, hit this freaking resistance. Fat red candles on Valdi going lower. Fake fucking pop. Fake pop. There we go. Nice. Still sitting in these Pepsis and Rokus. Those are free trades at this point. Let's go. Here, let me get this screenshot out for you guys as well. Apple told the tale. It looked like it did. Sun's coming back out too. Perfect timing. All right. I'm headed out. Hope everyone had a great trading week. Hope you had a great Friday. Absolutely, yeah. Valdi and Valdi Q have been paper brought that on to me, and I can't believe I've been charting and trading SPY and Qs for the last 4 years, and now just doing this full time for the last year and a half, and just recently a few months ago learned about Valdi and Valdi Q, and using that for Confluence, especially for this morning to take these trades on SPY and Qs, or for ES and NQ on the future side. Like, it has been a huge help and a huge game changer. Absolutely amazing. So I'm going to post the weekly recap later today, probably later this evening when I get home. But we had a great freaking week in the premium Discord. And I mean, yesterday was a really good day with PayPal, IWM, Roku, and then Pepsi, and then swinging the extra Rokus for 30% now up to 80%, and then Pepsi from 50% to almost 100% on the rest of those, and then being able to trade here this morning with you guys on the live stream. Decided to do it here, just chilling at the lake house with the family, about to go get changed and go hang out there now. So I figured I'd jump on for an hour, manage the swing positions from the premium Discord, and then if I saw something on the live stream, trade it and decide to do the future side of it. So hope everyone learned something today, and hopefully people made some money today as well. And I hope you guys have a great rest of your weekend. I am going to be doing a mastermind, my next mastermind, on June 28th. I'm also going to be sending that out probably over this weekend, but just giving you guys a heads up for my next mastermind class. It will be on June 28th. I didn't get to run it last month. Had a lot of things going on with the whole house situation, selling this house and getting the new one, so I wasn't able to do it. So we are going to run it hopefully this month on June 28th. So stay tuned for that announcement. And then again, say it all the time, if you want to come hang out, Premium Discord, we have an amazing freaking community. Look at you guys in the Premium Discord chat. Look at that. Love you, Casey Trades, all Diddy. Love you, A-Rod. Have a great time with the family. Appreciate you, Michelle. D, learning every day. Thank you, Casey Trades. Have a great weekend. Appreciate you, brother. Yeah, I freaking love our Discord community. That is one of the biggest things. Like, having a solid trading community of other people and other traders every day. Like we're just going to work with each other every day, and we're helping each other out, and we're live trading, sharing our charts, our ideas, and our analysis with each other. And then I jump on, just live stream just like this, Monday through Thursday or Monday through Friday. If I'm not on here, I'm in the premium Discord every day, just live trading there, myself and 5 other analysts, day trading, swing trading, futures trading. We have an amazing community. We have amazing alert analysts in here, and I absolutely love live streaming and live trading every day in the community with the team. Happy Father's Day, bro. Appreciate it. So if you want to come hang out in Premium Discord, you can head over. The link's on the screen right there. Just go to my bio on X as well. I have the link tree there. Take you to the Discord, take you to the WAP store, get yourself a free trial. Just come hang out for a week, tune in the live stream, see if you like the community and all the people in there. Come hang out, make some money. And that's really it. We chill, we do the homework, we trade, we make money, we move to the next. Like, that's it. So you can use the code SPRING. That is still valid. And also use code Casey Trades, just my name. Both those, I believe, are still 40% off too. If you do want to purchase anything in the store, whether it's MMK algo indicators or you want to purchase, the monthly, it's like $69. Get 40% off, or purchase lifetime, whatever the fuck it is. Doesn't matter. Any purchase. But that's about it for me. Appreciate you guys. Let me actually post this out. Let me get this posted. What a bounce. What a beautiful bounce. What was my short on NQ? I was short at what? I back tested the other one at 767 on MNQ. I did one NQ earlier for this scalp as well. And then the MNQ, 45 points, got back in, collected another 50 points, about 100 points overall. Let's go. Post this up real quick. How many people are on the stream on X today? What we got? 2,500 people. Man, if we would have had 3,000 people make $3,000, that'd been a great post. Watch this short to pop again. Big green candles. Back to the... I would have fucking taken it. Internal still selling. Valdez still weak. Lower highs. Back test of the equilibrium. 200 EMA. It's a freaking short. I would have already been in that. It's the same shit, guys. This is the same shit. Every time you see that up there, they forget. Look to a freaking T on where that is. Look at this short here. So look, the exact same spot. Look at your internals. It is still dying. There is no reason to try longs. It is short the freaking pops until proven otherwise right now. Easy as that. I mean, you can scalp it both ways too. Everybody has different strategies, but let me get this posted. Live in front of 2,500 people. We crushed it today. Option to trade plus 50 on about 100%, and then 16 points on ES overall, and then collectively between NQ and MNQ for the shorts. I think it was, to be exact, it was like 94 points. I just did 90. And then there's the account. Lock that one up. $3,000. So if you go to my X profile, it is right there. Just locked that account up for a $3,000 profit total P&L. Closed it on that last one for that ES. And love you all at everyone. Post it up and we good. All right. Appreciate you guys. Have a great weekend. And probably do the Sunday night live stream. Nice. A-Rod. I'll probably do the Sunday night live stream whenever I do my homework over the weekend. So stay tuned for that, a post as well for the Sunday night live stream. I'm going to be here going over all the charts and my top watches for what I'm looking to trade next week. And then again, Mastermind announcement coming out for June 28th. And then if you want to come hang out in the premium Discord, just go click on the link in my profile and get yourself a free trial and use code SPRING or KC Trades at checkout. That way you can get 40% off if you do like the community and want to stay and hang out, trade, make money with us every day. Other than that, that's it. Appreciate you guys. Have a great rest.